job? Seriously? Visit Job News Live videos from YouTube. Subscribe and share. Notification number 15/2024. Country India. State Telangana. Location Hyderabad and Gurgaon. Industry BPO. Job title Voice Process. Total vacancies 1. Educational qualifications any graduate. Experience 0 to 5 years. Required skills blended process BPO. Customer service. Employment time full time permanent. Job notification number 24/2024. Country India. State Telangana. Location Hyderabad. Industry BPO. Job title Talent Acquisition Manager. Total vacancies 1. Educational qualifications degree in HR. Experience 8 to 13 years. Required skills BPO hiring, non-IT recruitment hiring. Employment time full time permanent. Salary 12 lakhs to 18 lakhs per annum. Notification number 77/2024. India, Telangana State, Hyderabad City. Industry BPO. Job title BPO Voice Process. Total vacancies 100. Total vacancies 100. Education BCom, BBA, BA, BBM. Experience 0 to 1 years. International Voice BPO. Full time permanent. Job notification number 78. India, Telangana, Hyderabad City. Industry BPO. Job title Voice Process. Total vacancies 1. Education graduate except law. Experience 0 to 5 years. Required skills blended process BPO. Full time permanent. Job notification number 79. India, Telangana, Hyderabad City. BPO. Customer Service Executive. Total vacancies 270. Total vacancies 270. Graduate or undergraduate. 0 to 5 years experience. Inbound process BPO customer. Employment type full time permanent. Salary 2.25 lakhs to 4 lakhs per annum. Job notification number 98. India, Telangana, Hyderabad City. BPO. Job title recruiter. Total vacancies 3. Educational qualifications degree in human resources. Experience 1 to 3 years. BPO hiring, non-IT recruitment. Full time permanent. Salary 2.25 lakhs to 3.5 lakhs per annum. Job notification number 122. India, Telangana, Hyderabad City. BPO. Title recruiter. Total vacancies 3. Degree in human resources. Experience 1 to 3 years. BPO hiring, non-IT recruitment. Full time permanent. 2.5 to 3.5 lakhs per annum. Job notification number 125. India, Telangana, Hyderabad City. BPO. Non-IT recruiter. 1. Bachelor's degree. 0 to 1 years experience. BPO hiring. Job portals and BPO. Notification number 129. India, Telangana, Hyderabad. BPO. Job title GDA. Total vacancies 1. Education ITI, PWD license, ability to read. Experience 1 to 2 years. BPO management skills team. Required skills. Full time permanent. Job notification number 130/2024. India, Telangana, Hyderabad City. Industry BPO. Job title inviting applications for order 2. Education BCom graduation or MBA. Experience 4 to 9 years. Required skills YouTube digital marketing. Full time permanent. Notification number 131. India, Telangana, Hyderabad. BPO. General accounting. Education BCom graduation. Experience 4 to 9 years. Required skills analytical, general accounting. Employment type full-time. Notification number 132, India, Telangana, Hyderabad city. Industry BPO. Job title SPE BPO. Content moderation. Total vacancies 35. Total vacancies 35. Education any graduate. Experience 1 to 4 years. Required skills communication skills and content. Employment type full-time, permanent. Job notification number 133, India, Telangana, Hyderabad city, BPO. Job title fresher, BPO. Total vacancies 35. Total vacancies 35. Education any graduate. Experience 0 to 1 year. Required skills communication skills. Employment type full-time, permanent. Job notification number 141, India, Telangana, Hyderabad city. Industry BPO. Job title non-voice process. Total vacancies 50. Total vacancies 50. Educational qualifications MBA. Experience 0 to 1 year. Required skills BPO, fresher, graduate. Employment type full-time, permanent. Salary 1,75,000 to 2 lakhs per annum. Job notification number 162, India, Telangana, Hyderabad. Industry BPO. Job title process executive, voice process. Total vacancies 10. Education qualifications graduates 2022, 2023, 2024 pass outs. Experience 0 to 1 year. Required skills communication skills, voice process. Notification number 176 by 2024. Country India. State Maharashtra. Pune state. Industry BPO. Job title BPO agents. Total vacancies 500. Total vacancies 500. Education undergraduate or graduate. Experience 1 to 6 years. Required skills BPO, CCA, blended. Employment type full-time, permanent. Salary 2 to 3 lakhs per annum. Total vacancies 500. Notification number 177 by 2024. India, Karnataka, Banglore city. Industry BPO. Job title process executive. Total vacancies 20. Education qualifications any graduate. Experience 0 to 1 years. Required skills communication skills and presentation skills. Employment type full-time, permanent. Job notification number 219 of 2024. Country India. State Telangana. Location Hyderabad city. Industry BPO. Job title recruiter BPO. Total vacancies 3. Education business administration. Experience 1 to 3 years. Required skills BPO hiring, non-IT recruitment, volume hiring. Employment type full-time, permanent. Salary 2.25 to 3,50,000 per annum.